Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see Maven project setup for JUnit 5. So if you want to work with JUnit 5, so how we can set up a Maven project in Eclipse, we'll see. So for this, let's go to Eclipse. So this is the project, the normal Java project which we are working and which we are saying till now by taking some examples. So now what we'll do, we'll create a project, file, new project, and I want Maven project. Go to the Maven, expand this, the Maven project, select the Maven project from the select wizard, new project select wizard, then click next. So here you just select create a simple project. Okay, skip archetype selection. So I do not want all these things. I'll take create a simple project and then next. So you need to give the group ID and artifact ID. I'll give group ID int.at. The artifact ID I'll say JUnit file Maven tutorial, or I'll say project, simply whatever name I want I can give. So, and then you can click finish. So that simple it is. So JUnit 5 Maven project created. When you expand this, you'll find the source test Java and resources, and the source main Java resources, source test Java resources, and you will have pom.xml. Okay. So inside the pom.xml, you need to mention what are the dependencies you need to work with JUnit 5. We need to mention that JUnit 5 dependencies inside this. Okay. So now we'll see what are the dependencies we need to work with JUnit 5. So I have captured those. I'll show you. So here you see there are multiple dependencies you need to add. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 dependencies are needed to work with JUnit 5. So I'll take all the dependencies, I'll copy from here and I'll paste here. Collect. I'll tell you. So we need JUnit Jupyter API, JUnit Jupyter Engine. We need JUnit Platform Runner, and to parameterize your test, you need JUnit Jupyter Params. So you'll get all these things from the Maven repository. So when you go to Maven repository, you just go and check JUnit Jupyter API. You just search this. This is the one. When you go to that particular dependency, it's still loading. Let it finish. When you click on that, so it will give you all the versions. So which one you want, you can take. I have taken which one? So 5.6.2. So the previous version, the latest is M1. So I took 5.6.1. When you click on this, you'll find the dependency here. You need to copy paste. That is what I done. I did the same thing. So you see that this is the dependency I have taken from here, and I did the same thing, and I copy pasted here in the same way remaining things. But what is this $, and JUnit Jupyter version? So I just, instead of giving 5.6.2 here and there, so whenever there is a version is common for multiple dependencies, you can create a kind of variable in the properties, and if you give this one, it will reflect all the places. Tomorrow if you want to change this to 5.7.0, if you change here only here, then it will reflect all the places. Okay, that is the reason I gave it in the properties. So these are the 4 dependencies we need to work with what JUnit 5. So now I'll save. Now it will, you see that here it's a building 25%. It will download all the dependencies which you mentioned in the pom.xml. So it's already done. So previously I did, that is the reason it took less time. But if it is the first time, it will take some time. Okay. So according to your internet speed, everything, it will take some time to, and you see that my JRE version is showing 1.5. So I need to change this. Go to the properties, right click properties, go to Java build path. So I'll remove this from here, and you need to add library, the JUnit, sorry, JRE. Next, take the workspace default JRE, that is OpenJDK 11.0.2. Okay, I have 11.0.2. Then finish, apply and close. You see that it is changed. Okay, so we have Maven dependencies also showing all the dependencies. It is downloaded. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll go to the source test Java. We'll create a package, new package. I'll say same thing, JUnit 5 tests, and inside this I'll take one. Otherwise what I'll do, I will copy some of the tests from the previous one. Okay, test annotation test, and these two things, I don't know, we'll copy paste here. Yeah, I copy pasted. So when you go here, so I do not have calculator. Okay, so what we'll do, in the source main Java, I will copy paste this one also, the class which we have taken previously in the JUnit 5 classes. So I'll copy this package. We have option copy in the source main Java. So paste. Now I have JUnit 5 classes, and there is no error. Okay, I can simply execute this test. Right click on this test. So you see that I'm not getting this option in the Maven project. So in the Maven project, this is the issue. So for that, what you need to do, we'll see how we can execute these things in the Maven project, that we'll see. But this is how you can create a Maven project, and you can add your tests in the Maven project. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.